How to add review to Shopify store. This is really easy thing to do. So if you just visit my, as you can see, this is example store here. And if I just go down to the bottom, as you can see here, there's a no way that customer can put reviews, right? So how I can add a review section to my store? So if you just go to the Shopify dashboard, and even though let's go to our product section here, and if I just go and click on the edit, you will see there's a no such option to add a review in the edit section too. So how I can do this? So to do this, you have to add an application. So you have to go to the bottom right side corner, settings gear icon, and here you have to go and click on apps and sales channel. And on the top right, click on Shopify App Store. You will be redirected to a new page here, and this is basically Shopify App Store. Now on the search bar, you can just add here all the plugins, all the application you want on your store. So we just want for a review. So I will just write here review and hit the enter bar. And as you can see here, there's a lot of application which is available. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. So I like to use judge.me. If you want, you can go through it, right? So this is a freemium plan. So I can just go and install it, right? And once I go and install, again, I will be get redirected to a new page. Here, it will ask me once again that, are you sure you want to install? Yes, I'm 100% sure. And just go and click on install. Now here, automatically, you don't need to do anything. In the app section, you will see that judge.me has been available. So all the application which you will add to your Shopify will be shown here. Now let's customize this. So here, please select your language. So it's my English. And where would you like to install it? So I would like to install my current theme. If you don't know my current theme here, you can just go to the theme section here, click on online store, and this is your current theme here. You can just go and keep changing your themes whichever you want. Right now, let's go back here, go to the app section. Right, I'll just go back, give me a second. And here, once we here, just go and click on start setup. Automatically it will start loading here, and as you can see here, enable app embed. So just go and click on it, right? And here you will be redirected to again a new page here, and everything will start working on it. Once you're here, make sure that this is turned on, right? And make sure this is turned on, and just go and click on save here. And once you save, just go and click here, and as you can see here, app embed correctly. So you can just go and click on continue. You can install a review widget. So let's just go and install there here. Automatically we will just get to this our page editor. And now guys, you can see in the app section here, judge.me has been added. And if I just scroll to the down, as you can see, these are the reviews. You can always edit the reviews, you can customize it, you can just give your own stars, and you can just also change the name and everything. You have the full control over it, as well as on your store. So let's just save here. So once I go and click on save, and let's just refresh our store here. Now if I just go to the bottom, as you can see here, customer can, let me show you first of all my store, then I will show you here. So this is my store here, this is one of the product. If I just scroll to the bottom, our customer can write a review. They can just give me 1 to 5 star, whatever they would like to. They can write the comments, they can upload the video, picture, everything they want to. They can also enter the name if they want to mention it publicly. They can also enter the email address, and then just go and click on review, right? So here, let's say we will just write once here, I will just write here awesome t-shirt, right? I can just upload a picture. This is just an example, by the way, guys. Right here, let's say I will just write here my name, right? And I don't want to enter my email address. Just go and click on okay. So this is required. So let's say I will just write my email here, okay. And once everything is done, just go and click on review submitted. Now as you can see here, the review is not showing because once we approve the review, then only it will show it up, right? So here we will just go and click on install. Now guys, you can see this is the example review which we did, and here I can just go and click on it, and I can see the review, right? And this is the review which I just gave you in front of you guys, and I can see the stars and everything. I can manage the review, and as well as I can just give the access. For example, this review is published, I can just hide this review. So if I just hide this review, I can, let me just refresh it, and I will show you, right? So of course, once you hide it, you just need to save it, right? And once everything is done, you can control each and everything. So this is how you can just add review to your Shopify store. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.